Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a bold glam makeup look that's perfect for a night out, whether it's dinner, dancing, or just a selfie-worthy evening with friends. This look is all about glowing skin, bold eyes, and that touch of drama we all love. So grab your brushes and let's get into it. 1. Prepare the skin cleanse and moisturize your face. Apply a hydrating primer to ensure your makeup sits beautifully all night. If you have oily skin, use a mattifying primer in the T-zone. 2. Create a flawless base. Apply a full coverage, satin finish foundation. Dot it all over your face and blend with a damp beauty sponge. Blend down your neck to avoid harsh lines. Apply concealer under the eyes, on the bridge of your nose, chin, and forehead. Blend well. Set your base with a translucent powder, especially under the eyes to prevent creasing. Press it in with a puff for a smoother finish. 3. Define the brows. Use a brow pencil to fill in and shape your brows. Aim for a structured look without making them too harsh. Follow your natural brow shape and build slightly for definition. 4. Contour and bronze. Contour your cheekbones, jawline, and nose using a matte bronzer. Add a warm bronzer over top to give your face a sun-kissed glow. Blend well for a natural, sculpted effect. 5. Prime the eyes. Apply an eyeshadow primer or a bit of concealer on your eyelids. This helps intensify the eyeshadow and improves staying power. 6. Build the eye look. Apply a warm brown eyeshadow into the crease as a transition shade and blend. Deepen the outer corners with a dark plum eyeshadow. Apply metallic gold shimmer to the center and inner lid for bold contrast. Blend the edges for a smooth gradient between shades. Smudge the dark plum shadow along the lower lash line. Line the upper lash line with gel eyeliner and gently smudge it out. Apply a black pencil liner to the waterline for added intensity. 7. Apply lashes and mascara. Curl your lashes. Apply 2 coats of volumizing mascara. Add a pair of wispy, dramatic false lashes to elevate the glam. 8. Add blush and highlighter. Sweep a rosy mauve blush on the apples of the cheeks, blending upward. Apply golden highlighter to the cheekbones, tip of the nose, and above the brows for a radiant glow. 9. Finish with lips. Line your lips with a deep nude or berry lip liner. Apply a rich, matte berry lipstick. Optional, add a touch of gloss to the center of the lips for a fuller effect. Alternatively, go bold with a classic red lipstick for a striking finish. 10. Set the look. Use a long-lasting setting spray to lock in the makeup. This ensures your look stays fresh and flawless all night. And that's the final look. Bold, glam, and totally night out ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Let me know in the comments what look you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.